All right, so today I'm going to talk about Ignition Coin and staking in their Discord channel. I came across Ignition Coin probably about a month ago, and it's been awesome. The community is terrific. If you haven't joined their Discord yet, join it. That's the only way to really talk to the team and to the whole community. They do not have a Telegram channel, so if you see a Telegram channel, it's most likely a scam. They only operate in Discord as far as chat programs go. So today, we're going to talk about their Discord channel and how to earn stakes with Ignition Coin inside their Discord channel with TipBot. So one of the things you want to do is go to their website first to get their Discord channel. You can find the chat icon up here in the top right. As soon as you click on it, go ahead and subscribe. It'll take you to their Discord. So after you've done all that, once you're in their Discord channel, you're going to find a channel called Bot Commands. Sometimes it was like bot command spam. So anything with bot commands, just go into it. And as soon as you're here, the first thing you want to do is just type help. And these will give you a bunch of commands that you can use within this bot commands channel. So there's actually a wallet in Discord, which is really cool, using the TipBot. So if you want to, you can just type in $deposit, and that will give you your deposit address, so you can transfer coins from something like Cryptopia or CryptoBridge to their TipBot, and they'll go into your wallet in TipBot. If you want to see your withdrawal from the exchange here, you can always use their Explorer, and they do have an Explorer on their page. Down here, just click on Official Explorer. You can go ahead and paste in your deposit address from TipBot in here, and you can kind of see if your transfer has gone through and pretty much a status on your transfer. So as soon as you withdraw from the exchange into TipBot, you can actually check your balance to make sure it got in by doing $BAL, and this will give you your balance, okay? And then to stake, so right now I have a balance of, 0.0352. So what I usually do is I usually stake on my Ignition Coin. So if I want to transfer this balance to my staking account, I'll just do stake and then all. And then that will move it to my stake balance, which is really cool. It's really just convenient. And then I can just keep it in staking. And then as you can see, there is a stake room. Let's see, StakeBot notifications. So this channel actually tells you when the stakes have been sent out to all the TipBot stakers. You can see today, look at today already. Since 2:06 a.m., 2 stakes have already been sent to all the stakers. Today at 3 a.m., this is all day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stakes already today. Oh, look at even more. So these are all sent to my staking account, which is in the bots command. You can always type in stats to see how much you've gotten in stakes so far. So I just want to reiterate too, the 1.7 IC, that's dispersed to all stakers. So obviously the more stakers, the bigger reward we'll get, but that's split up between all the stakers. So I'm not going to get the full 1.7, but I will get, depending on how many stakers we have in there, that's how much you get. But it's still free IC just for having IC. And their Discord channel is awesome. As long as you're active in their channels, especially like the general or member chat, you'll see people soaking. They call it soak. Basically, like, here's a soak here. So someone just soaked .1 IC, and this got sent out to all these Discord users. .1 times how many users here? I mean, it's still IC, it's still free coin, Ignition Coin that you're getting. So I mean, this community is just awesome. Like, people soak all the time. We rain, we're very generous. We just like giving back, and we're trying to just promote this coin. Such a great community. I could not find a better community than Ignition Coin. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, I mean, there's a lot of people in here that are very helpful. So if you need to ask questions, they have a lot of bounties going on right now, just trying to promote the coin and different bounties to receive IC. So overall, a great community. I love Ignition Coin. This is going to go far. It's pretty much where Bitcoin left off, like the technology, it's master nodes, like it's crazy. So I definitely highly suggest you try out Ignition Coin. Just come and just get a little bit of IC, just be active in the chat, get a little bit of IC, and then put that in your staking account and just start it off. And then if you want more, go to the exchanges and get more and deposit back in your tip account or your TipBot account so you can get more IC in stakes. So yeah, just an awesome community. I highly recommend it. So if you have any questions, just pop in chat in Discord and you'll be taken care of for sure. Okay, thanks guys.